Visualize a planet as big as Jupiter orbiting its star in just 4 days. Sounds impossible, right? Well, astronomers have found dozens of them, and they are called hot Jupiters. Back in 1995, scientists discovered a planet known as 51 Pegasi b. It was nearly the size of Jupiter but orbited incredibly close to its star. 1 year on this planet lasts only 4 Earth days. This discovery shocked astronomers because our own solar system looks nothing like that. Here, small rocky planets orbit close to the Sun, while giant gas planets like Jupiter stay far away. So, how do hot Jupiters end up so close to their stars? Scientists believe the answer lies in the early days of a solar system's formation. Young stars are surrounded by massive disks of gas and dust called accretion disks. As giant planets form inside these disks, they interact with the surrounding gas. Over time, these interactions can cause a giant planet to spiral inward toward its star, almost like a boat being pulled by a powerful current. As the orbit shrinks, the planet speeds up and becomes intensely hot, creating what we call a hot Jupiter. Some of these worlds are so close to their stars that temperatures reach thousands of degrees, making them some of the most extreme planets ever discovered. Hot Jupiters completely changed our understanding of planetary systems. They proved that the universe is far stranger and far more fascinating than we ever imagined.